Yeah. So I'm continuing lecture number 1 of BEPS. This is your lecture number 2 on BEPS. There was some power cut shortage, so I'm continuing that. I hope you were copying this. Copy this in the second tree, copy this in the third tree. This is under second, under third. We are in action plan number 4. We are in action plan number 1. Who recommended? Wapis I'm asking. OECD. What is the full form of OECD? Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. Earnings before tax, interest and tax, depreciation and amortization. We did problems in transfer pricing on this. EBITDA, earnings before interest and tax, depreciation and amortization. You can check your transfer pricing notes. You will find the section number 94B. Is this two completed? Now what is the first tree? Problem. If you want to copy this, you can copy. CC बोलते China company, IC बोलते Indian company, and they were doing this only. Indian company doing this. Tax loss to government. प्लीज सर थोड़ा जल्दी करेंगे सर. ठीक है, shall we start now? Next one, action plan 5, counter harmful tax practices. Counter harmful tax practices. Listen now. Mali kitne trees? 3 trees. This is very simple. Chupchap suno. I have the notes almost ready. Suno. Suno sir. Listen now. Listen now. Please understand like this. I'll make it very simple. Please understand like this. First tree क्या है? Problem. I am a scientist. I am a scientist. I am doing research for corona vaccine. I am doing a research for patent ante corona vaccine. I have developed. I did the research in India. That is in a high tax country, country A. But, and I did testing, it was successful. But I registered my medicine in Dubai. I registered my medicine in Dubai. Patent registered in a low tax country B. Indian government is calling me for, I am in Dubai now. I have registered the medicine. I am in Dubai. Indian government is telling, we want medicines. I am ready to give them. But I said I want royalty because you are using my medicines. You are using my medicines. Who will pay to whom? Indian government will pay royalty to the scientist in Dubai because he registered the medicine in Dubai. Dubai mein he will receive the income. He will not pay any tax. But he did the research in India. So India is telling OECD this is cheating. వాడు ఇండియాలో రీసెర్చ్ చేస్తున్నాడు, బయట రిజిస్టర్ చేస్తున్నాడు, బయట రాయల్టీ వస్తుంది, అండ్ హీస్ నాట్ పేయింగ్ ఎనీ ట్యాక్స్ బయట, బట్ యూజింగ్ ద రిసోర్సెస్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా ఫర్ రీసెర్చ్. Receive royalty in country B, that is low tax. Who is losing? This you have to write in background or problem. Clear? Now what is OECD recommended? Give low tax benefit if the patent is also developed in that country in which it is registered. OECD said patent has to be developed and registered in same country, then only give the benefit. बोलतो research India लो हुआ, register also should be in India. And in what is the next one? Steps. Third one क्या है? Third tree. I will tell you, they introduce this section 115 BBF royalty. 10% of the income will tax, provided 75% of the expenditure shall be incurred in India. You can check this section, you will have in your notes in transfer pricing or taxation of NR. You have to write all this right now. This third tree, वापिस समझा रहा हूं. This is first, this is second, and this is third. पहले third लिख लो, then 1 to 2 लिख लेना. चलो. This one, note down in the third tree. New section 115 BBF has been introduced. ये वाला third tree में लिखो. Nothing is there down. That is a heading already you have. Third tree क्या है heading? What did Indian government do? That you are writing here. व्हाट डिड इंडियन गवर्नमेंट डू, ये लिखना है, कुछ भी और नको लिखो सर जब तक मैं नहीं बोलूं, खाली यहां से सुनो, यहां से लेकर यहां तक लिखो इन द थर्ड ट्री। चलो डन। अब यू हैव टू जस्ट राइट द थर्ड ट्री, थर्ड ट्री हो गया। नाउ राइट द फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड। Listen, once again, first tree I'll explain. What was the problem? I am a scientist. I was doing research in India, which have high tax rate, but medicine was invented. But I registered that medicine in Dubai, which has lower tax rate, and I told the government to pay me royalty in Dubai. And he will pay royalty in Dubai. It's an income earned in Dubai, received in Dubai, no tax in Dubai. इंडियन गवर्नमेंट फेल्ड, दिस इज चीटिंग। रिसर्च यहां कर रहे आप, रजिस्टर वहां कर रहे, यू आर, दैट इज कॉल्ड काउंटर हार्मफुल टैक्स प्रैक्टिसेस। टू काउंटर दैट OECD recommended, raise scientist, if you do both in the same country then only you'll get the benefit. You should do the research and register in the same country. पहले प्रॉब्लम लिखो, देन रिकमेंडेशन लिखो। एंड नॉट जस्ट रजिस्टर्ड इन दैट कंट्री। ठीक है. Sure. This was action plan number 5. Come to 6. लिखो 6 को. Preventing tax treaty abuse. Preventing tax treaty abuse. We are in action plan number 6. Tax treaty abuse, ABUSE. फर्स्ट ट्री क्या है? प्रॉब्लम. अब देखो, आई हैव द प्रॉब्लम रेडी इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी. चुपचाप सुनो. प्लीज बी वेरी केयरफुल. प्लीज बी वेरी केयरफुल. आई विल एक्सप्लेन द प्रॉब्लम. हाँ ठीक है. इन 1990s, सुनते जाओ. इन 19 Manmohan Singh was finance minister, where India entered agreement with Mauritius. India entered agreement with Mauritius. Mauritius is a country, and the agreement had a mistake. The mistake was, there was a clause in that agreement says, if a person from Mauritius, sells long-term capital asset in India, if a person from Mauritius sells a asset in, he has to pay tax in Mauritius at 5% and no tax in India. And no tax in India. This was the agreement. There was a mistake from Indian side. This should not have been the agreement. Mistake हो गया. Who is losing? Who is benefiting? Mauritius. Who is losing? India. Indian government requested lot of times to change the clause. Mauritius said we will not change. Mauritius says, why do you want to change? He said, Indian said, assume karo Mauritius, there's a company in USA. There's a company in who wants to invest in India. He has two options. He will come to India, invest in stock market, he will earn income and pay tax at 20% on capital gains. Or second option, he will go to Mauritius. Who will go to Mauritius? He will incorporate a company in Mauritius. That company will invest in India and will pay tax at the rate of 5% in Mauritius and no tax in India. Everyone started doing the second route. First route, second route. Everyone started following the second route. What was the second route? Go to Mauritius, incorporate a company in Mauritius, invest in, pay tax at the rate of 5% in Mauritius and no tax in India. Agreement किसके बीच में था? India and Mauritius. Who is taking undue advantage of this? USA company. Who is taking undue advantage of this? That is called preventing treaty abuse. Now India is asking OECD, what should we do, OECD? Because the chiller USA company directly, instead of coming directly to India and investing, is investing through Mauritius and getting the advantage of the 5%. This is called treaty shopping also. इसको treaty shopping भी बोलते. क्या बोलते? Treaty shopping. Problem clear. What did India do was, I'll call later on, India introduced section 1038 which was covered in capital gains. Exemption. and right now it's 112A, up to 1 lakh exempt, greater than 1 lakh at the rate of 10%, all that nonsense. That I'll tell later on. वो छोड़ दो. Background clear. Copy this background. Copy this background. Route 1, route 2. Copy this properly. Please, you can rewind the video and read, check once again, and then also you can copy. पहले example copy करो under the first tree. First tree क्या है? Problem. Done? This was action plan number, sorry, we completed the first tree. Problem. Second one. क्या है? लिखो. Recommendations में ये note down. Ensure no third party shall misuse the tax treaty between two countries. By including LOB rule or PPT rule? LOB rule or PPT rule? Underline the word LOB, limitation of benefits. Limitation of benefits. Underline PPT rule. Principal purpose test. Principal purpose test. Next, last tree क्या है? They changed the tax treaties between India and Mauritius, comma India and Singapore. They changed the tax treaties. Later on, it was changed, sir. Between India and Mauritius, comma India and Singapore. Singapore. India, Mauritius, one agreement we had. India, Singapore, we had one more. They changed both the agreements. You know what did they do? They inserted a clause that, Ray, what did USA company doing? Coming indirectly in India through Mauritius. Coming indirectly to India through. The agreement now says, Ray, USA, you are paying tax only at 5%. Prove that you are a company of Mauritius. You give me TRC, tax residency. USA company cannot give TRC of Mauritius. They can give TRC of USA. Then Ray, US company, for you, this 5% concept will not apply. TRC concept was introduced. Tax residency certificate concept was introduced because of this problem only. Next, action plan 7. Prevent, new page, new heading. Prevent the artificial avoidance of status of PE. How many trees once again? 3. Problem, OECD recommendation, what Indian government. We'll cover the second tree first. That is a recommendation. Listen. अच्छा, फर्स्ट ट्री क्या है? लिखो. Problem, definition of permanent establishment. Did not cover virtual place of business. And other offices as well. And other offices as well. Thus, there was a need to change or rework. There was a need to change or rework the definition of PE. REWORK. नेक्स्ट सेकेंड ट्री क्या है? You copy this here. From here they have modified the definition till here. Chalo, you cry and copy, without cry you copy. I'm not bothered only. मैं पहले ही बोल दिया, these are all theory topics. I have the notes. I could have easily given to you in PDF also. Perpetuary character, PREPARATORY, perpetuary character. ठीक है, what was the last tree? We completed the problem, we completed the recommendation. Now we are completing the third tree, Indian government. We are in action plan number 7. Now right, they have third tree में amended the definition of business connection. They have amended the definition of business connection. Full stop. Now business connection also includes, now comma, business connection also includes any business activity carried through a person, any business activity carried through a person acting on behalf of non-resident who acting on behalf of non-resident who, first point, habitually concludes the contracts, habitually concludes the contracts, or second point, plays a principal role in conclusion of contracts. Bracket lo. Or plays a principal role in conclusion of contracts. Bracket lo. Such contract should be in the name of non-resident only. Or such contract should be in relation to transfer of ownership, or right to use, which is owned by NR. That's it. This completes action plan number 7. One good news. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is out of your paper 7. You have this in your paper 6C elective paper. Paper 7 में these action plans you do not have. Now directly we'll start with 13. Suno, how did you can conclude, sir? Suno, this is ICA module only, ICA booklet. This action plan number 7. 7 के बाद they are directly going to 13. So this is not what I want. They are telling me. They are telling me this. I am not assuming anything. लिखो heading, re-examine TP documents, transfer pricing documents. I know you are crying now for writing, remembering my great grandfather and all. You will remember me with a smile once you come out of the exam. I know that also. Again 3 trees. Problems. OECD recommendation. और क्या था रे? What did Indian government do? चल, फर्स्ट वन क्या है? arrow mark down. When two parties were associated enterprises, associate enterprises, government was not getting information about their relationship. Government was not getting information about their relationship. Which makes difficult to levy transfer pricing provisions. Which makes difficult to levy transfer pricing provisions. Now listen, पहले मैं आपको थर्ड ट्री समझा देता हूं. सुनो, Indian government request OECD. We are not getting information from the SSE, and it is becoming difficult to calculate arm's length price because we are not getting information. OECD recommended you introduce few sections on Income Tax Act, which becomes mandatory for them to furnish information to you. So what did Indian government do? They introduced two sections. 92D, books of accounts for transfer pricing. 286, country by country reporting. These two were covered in transfer pricing also. I gave a chart of transfer pricing, summary chart. उसमें check करो ये दो section है क्या? Check quick. Stop right now. Go to transfer pricing. Heading was summary of transfer pricing. You will find these two section numbers, 92D to 86. Books of accounts and documents and country by country reporting. This section was introduced due to the recommendation of OECD, so that we will get more information from SSE regarding the transaction, so that arm's length price can be calculated. First copy the third tree. यहां से प्रोविजन से लेकर यहां तक क्विक, यहां से चलो 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 जल्दी, विदाउट डूइंग ओवर एक्शन. चलो Done? Now what is second tree? This you have to copy this. From here till here. They are telling, listen, they are telling the Indian government, ask information in 3 stages. One is called master file, one is called local file, one is called country by country report. Local file bolto take information from Indian company, master file ante from all the companies associated, and also take report country by country. You can refer section 286 for further reference, where I have explained the provision of CBC, country by country reporting. Done, guys? He can give you only simple question like this. Explain the recommendation given by OECD in action plan number 13. That's how question can be asked. Or explain what did Indian government do after BEPS recommended action plan 13. He can ask that. He will not ask the first tree. He can either ask the second tree or the third tree. He will never ask first tree. 1 second. This completes. Hello. Yeah, so this completes action plan 13. This is again 14, again they have missed. It means that is not applicable for paper 7. That will be applicable in paper 6C. Action plan 15, last one. Developing a multilateral instrument. Here background is not required, only 2 trees. Recommendation by OECD, what did Indian government do? इसमें सिर्फ 2 trees आते. क्या है वो 2 trees? Recommendation by OECD on income. First one. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अंडरलाइन मल्टीलैटरल इंस्ट्रूमेंट. उसका मतलब समझाता हूँ मैं, सुनो पहले वो तो समझ में आना. विच इंस्ट्रूमेंट? नो मल्टीलैटरल. इट इज एन अग्रीमेंट बिटवीन मोर देन 2 कंट्रीज. उसको मल्टीलैटरल अग्रीमेंट बोलते, मल्टीलैटरल इंस्ट्रूमेंट बोलते. 2 कंट्रीज का दो, more than 2 countries, that's called multilateral instrument. To avoid double taxation, that's it. क्या है? फर्स्ट ट्री रिकमेंडेशन राइट देयर. MLI सॉरी MI का MLI मल्टी लैटरल इंस्ट्रूमेंट. MLI will help to fight against BEPS. MLI will help to fight against BEPS in an effective manner. BEPS in an effective manner. नेक्स्ट लास्ट ट्री क्या है? सेकेंड ट्री. सेक्शन 9 was amended to make it align with Section 9 was amended to make it align with provisions of DTAA. In MLI, to make the provisions more effective, to make the provisions treaty effective, to make the provisions treaty effective. उतना इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है सर, ये छोड़ दे, वो तो वन टाइम रीड करके छोड़ दो. This completes, हाँ my head क्या, this completes action plan, and the name of the chapter was Fundamentals of Base Erosion and Profit Shifting. Next topic will be taken in the next video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.